YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back this week with Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys and show you guys how to repair all the little bits and pieces inside this cleaner. Stay tuned. Guys, and we're back. So again, we've got Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is one of their 3 cute little above ground pool cleaners that they have. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen some of our previous videos on the penguin or maybe the aqua bug or the aqua critter, whichever one it is that you guys may want to call it. They have a different variety of these cleaners across the market so that you guys can take away the eyesore of what an actual cleaner is in your above ground pool and turn it into a sweet little character that you don't mind watching buzz around the bottom of the floor. So in this case, we've got Wanda the Whale. So we are going to show you guys some of those tips and tricks on how to fix it. For today's video, I want to talk to you guys about, I pulled this straight out of the box, so I want to kind of discuss the actual tail that comes with it. Unbeknownst to some of the other cleaners, the Aquabug or the Penguin, they have some extra things that you can actually add onto the cleaner. You can change the colors of the eyes, you can change its bow tie, you can change different things about the actual cleaner. In this case, it's the Whale, so you don't really have anything specific about it that you guys can change. So when they ship it, it will actually have this main cleaner body fully assembled in the box for you guys, and then they like to send the tail separate so that way it does not break in transit, as it does just clip into the base. So I'll flip it around here for you guys, and you'll see that it actually has the 2 holes here on the bottom and 1 hole here on the top. So it's really simple just to do an install. So obviously you're just lining up the holes and you're just kind of putting everything together. One huge thing that I want to disclose with you guys is, before you guys put this tail on, understand that if you need to take this tail back off, you will need to strip this cleaner down from the bottom all the way in. The only way to get access to this tail again is to actually physically remove everything inside the cleaner to get access to the actual shell itself. So again, I'll talk about that when we get to the shell change assembly video that we actually do in the quick fix. But for today, just want to show you guys how to snap this on, making sure that you guys are doing it correctly, and just show you guys the cute little whale that it looks like. So, all right, so as you guys can tell, you got these 2 prongs in this. I'm going to slide it in. And it should just clip down in. You'll actually feel it actually go fully level for you guys up against the whale, so that way now you've got his cute little tail coming at you. So as this thing agitates around the bottom of your above ground pool, it'll actually look like a cute little whale down there for at least less of an eyesight than just watching the cleaner do its trick. So just wanted to kind of show you guys that. So make sure you guys hit that like button, be sure to subscribe. We're going to have more videos coming your way where we're actually tearing this thing apart and getting into a lot more of the functionality on the inside. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.